Hi, want to know how to check RAM usage of your Google Pixel 9 Pro? So, as a first step, we would need to open settings on our phone and then scroll to the end of this page. Here, you'd be able to find a tab name of which is about phone. We would need to open it and then scroll to the end of this page again. Then here you can see this build number, which is our key to the developer options. We would need to click on this build number exactly 7 times until you'll get a little notification which is saying that you are now a developer. Now when you have unlocked the developer options, we would need to go back and here find this tab which is named System. Click on it, and here we would need to scroll down until you'll find the developer options. Now open them, and the first thing that you can see here is the memory by itself. So if we will click on it, here we can check our memory use by the last 3 hours, 6 hours, 12 hours, or 1 day. Here is it how it looks. You can see the average memory use, performance, total memory, average used in percents, free, and also you can check the memory which are using the apps. And this is it. So let's check it, and before you will enable this feature, you would need to enable it, and after this you'll get a notification which is saying that you need to restart your device. And when you are trying to disable this feature, you can see exact same notification. So click on that restart button, and after you'll be able to see the changes that you are trying to do. This is it. I hope this video was helpful, and thank you.